20 seconds left. Mitesh, a quick comment from you on Axis Bank.
Disclaimer here, I personally hold the stock in my portfolio. But that about, I think the stock, after that result bump up, had a big gap up. I think it's going back to the gap area to test it out. I think around 835, 840 is a good support zone. So maybe around those levels, you go to venture a buy for trading.
Okay, thanks a lot for that. Sorry to rush you there. The first tick on the index is down about 0.5%. Not as bad as what the global markets have done for themselves overnight. Nifty down about 65 odd points, Sensex down 210 points. Advanced decline ratio split right down the middle, but veering towards the declining side. Tata Motors is your big loser, down almost about 4 odd percent, followed by Axis Bank, which is down about 3 odd percent. Then you have IT stocks that are coming under pressure now. So Tech Mahindra, Infosys are your big losers, down about 1 to 2 odd percent. And a couple of these FMCG names, Britannia, ITC. So it's a secular run on the downside today for the markets, at least at the start of trade. Eicher Motors comes out with its numbers later today, down about 0.5 odd percent. Hero MotoCorp also trending into the red line. And something like an M&M that reports numbers tomorrow is down in the red as well. What's trending in the green? Cipla is up about 0.8%. Coal India is seeing a little bit of follow-on buying post yesterday, so up about 0.5%. HUL, Bharti Airtel, Nestle, Kotak Mahindra Bank and HDFC Life are a couple of other stocks that are trending in the green. But suffice to say, it is a weak opening, but not as bad as what one would have expected given the kind of global sell-off that we saw. And Tata Motors is your big loser now. Volumes also piling up on that, down about 5 odd percent there. But how's the mid-cap end?
Well, a lot of stocks actually, Sonia, reacting to numbers. So let's start off with a few misses actually. Pidilite, well, that stock is lowered in trade. That one, in fact, Mangalam just told us that those numbers weren't too impressive. So, that's down closer to 1%. Pyramid Enterprises, that's pulled back closer around 7%. So that's clearly not being read as a good set of numbers. Deepak Nitrite, Sonal warned us that those numbers weren't too great. Well, that one, in fact, has opened up with a sharp downtick. It's down closer around 8% or thereabouts. You have Star Health as well that started a bit on the back foot. And Nykaa, because of that supply concerns, well, that one as well under some pressure. On the flip side, let's pull up Lupin. Let's see how that one's opened up. Ekta said those numbers were better. And just take a look at that. In a weak market, Lupin is up close to around 6% odd. So that's clearly the stock of the morning. Big move is what we're seeing out there. Petronet LNG as well. That's the other one that's reacting to its numbers, up close to 1% in otherwise weak market. And Narayan Health as well. That one as well had started off in the green. So a lot of companies reacting to its numbers, split down the middle out there. But the ones that are reacting on the downside, well, we're seeing some sharp reactions out there. Prashant.
Absolutely. I mean, 100 points lower is what you have on the Nifty. So this is lower, absolutely, clearly lower start. And for the